In 30 days, you can become the man nobody recognizes. Not because you changed your clothes, not because you posted quotes online, but because your habits, your body, your focus, and your energy are different. Right now, you feel it. You are not where you should be. Too many late nights, too much scrolling, too many promises you made to yourself and quietly broke. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow. Tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into next year, and nothing changes. You are not lazy. You are undisciplined. There is a difference. You don't lack potential. You lack structure. You lack standards. You let comfort decide your actions. Comfort is slow poison. It feels good today and destroys your future quietly. Look at your last 30 days. Be honest. Did you grow? Did you push yourself? Or did you repeat the same safe routine? This is where it shifts. You stop blaming your environment. You stop blaming money. You stop blaming motivation. You take full responsibility. Because the truth is simple. Your life is the result of your daily choices, and daily choices can change. For the next 30 days, you move differently. You wake up early, even when you don't feel like it. You train your body, even when it burns. You read and build skills, even when it's boring. You protect your time like it's money. No negotiation, no excuses, no emotional decisions. You build small rules and you follow them. Sleep on time, work in focused blocks, limit distractions, track your progress. The first week will hurt. Your mind will fight back. It will look for comfort. It will beg for the old version of you. Ignore it. Discipline is not about feeling good. It is about doing what must be done. By week 2, something changes. You feel sharper, stronger, more in control. By week 3, people notice. Your posture is different. Your words are fewer but stronger. Your eyes look focused. By week 4, you notice yourself. You respect yourself, and that changes everything. When you keep promises to yourself, your confidence grows. When you push through discomfort, your identity shifts. You stop seeing yourself as someone who tries. You see yourself as someone who executes. 30 days will not make you perfect, but it will make you dangerous, disciplined, unrecognizable. The man who wastes time disappears. The man who avoids hard things fades away. The weak habits die. In his place stands someone sharper, calmer, focused. This is not about motivation. It is about a decision. Right now, decide that the next 30 days are different. Cut the distractions tonight. Set your alarm earlier. Plan your day before you sleep. Do not wait for a perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. There is only this one. 30 days from now, you can either meet the same version of yourself, or you can meet someone stronger. The clock is already moving. Start today.